Here's the ISM chart that he's talking about. If you guys want to pull it up on your own trading view, this is how you can look it up. USB COI, or here it is. And yeah, I even marked this chart up already because I've been looking at this to give me some warnings. It's like 62, aimed at 70. If the technometer gets up to those levels, maybe we'll look for some froth taking in the crypto markets. Of course, we haven't gotten there yet. And if you look where we are up here, we're at 48. And if you do zoom in, Bitcoin has kind of followed it. New high, Bitcoin do a new high, and we had a sell-off. Look where we're at. But if you look at where these previous peaks were, up here, January and February 2021, well, that was the end of last cycle. And up here, end of 2017 and early 2018. Well, that was the top for Bitcoin around December of 2017, January 2018, and you had that alt season for Q1 of 2018. So, historically, this is correct. The ISM is a proxy of liquidity and risk on nature, and it has marked the tops on the past two Bitcoin cycles. And I'm sure if you go back here, look, this top up here, 2013. If we look at the dates that we were talking about with the map of Bitcoin results and performance, well, that was the top for Bitcoin as well. So end of 2013, beginning of 2014. So let's see if history wants to repeat itself. It has happened the last three cycles. And what's interesting here is this ISM has actually expanded each cycle, going to new highs, which means if it continued to expand this cycle with the move from a 4-year business cycle to a 5-year, that means you're going to go above even the 65 print, which is how you do get the biggest and baddest bull market in Bitcoin history, and maybe Ethereum and some altcoins will want to follow along. So we'll see if it wants to expand 4 cycles in a row. Very possible, because I'll tell you what, the monetary supply continues to grow. The numbers continue to get bigger on your screen when it comes to US dollars, Japanese, the yuan, and everything else going on globally when it comes to fiat currencies. So we'll see how things play out. But yeah, if you're looking at ISM, we are literally at what were the lows of the previous cycles.
No more 9 to 5, or a way to make